Welcome to the vlog, everyone. Welcome. Yeah. Alright, let's go find your silly string, Mr. Squeeb. Where's it at? Where's it at? Let's go. We gotta find some string for the boy here. Boy, oh, look at that on the floor. Littering. Those things always make your day, don't they? Try to fit in that little hole. Idiot. The kid ran away from Squeebo. Riley, you got fucked. That was funny. You look like a pedophile. Oh. No. No. Wow. They saw me recording. They're like, hey, we should record too. But what a great influence I am. What a great influence. I'm gonna buy this silly string. I don't know what he needs it for. Maybe for that prank on the Top Storm 8 channel. You never know. They got squib. Oh, I'm a good citizen. Just kidding.
Please proceed to register 3.
Thank you. Thanks. No problem. Yo. Supporting the army. Oh yeah, you gotta support that army, guys. Everyone, you go and buy a poppy. Alright? Everybody goes out to buy a poppy. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Walmart. I hate Walmart. I just go here. Walmart actually sucks, but poppies are good as I'd rather this than have a store of Walmart in my whole community. So yeah, go buy a poppy for November 11th. You can still wear it any other time you want to though, just for support. But yeah, no one still likes Walmart, but I'm not sponsoring them because they suck. If they did ask me for a sponsorship, I'd say, go take your sponsorship and shove it up your... Alright, so apparently we're on to Sobeys. What the heck? Alright, we better hurry up then. Alright, well make sure you buy one of these for Remembrance Day, if you can. Oh, you see those birds? Oh! Trick shot. What is this? Look at the birds! Oh my god, they're everywhere. What is this? There they are again.
What are all these?
The birds are attacking! Birds come back. Oh! They're having like a full festival. No time to go to Walmart, but at least we got our poppies. Yeah. Oh, they're coming now, boy. These birds fly them all. Alright, well that's enough birds. See you guys at my house. I'm at my house right now. I'm just ending the video, you know. I can't make these videos too long. I'm pretty busy. But, you know, I try my best to upload every single day. I couldn't upload yesterday. It was just kind of like a relaxing day. And it was a Monday. And there was nothing really interesting. And I kind of want to make this interesting. This channel interesting and everything. But it's just hard because I got school every single day, and I know a lot of people can relate, and they're like, well, we have school every single day as well. Well, I'm like, guess what, I do too, so, and I try to upload, but, you know, I try my best, so, I hope you guys can appreciate that I try my best. Let's try to get, I've been rough recently, let's try to get 4 likes on the video, 4 likes right now, let's go, 4 likes, and I'll be so happy, and I'll make my day. Make sure you get a Remembrance Day poppy and support your troops. I'll see you guys later. Okay, that was cringy. Alright, bye.
Now get closer. I can feel her eyes touch bars in your iris on divine stuff, making mad pictures in confinement.